Definitely an anime that's got me kicking my feet and giggling like a middle school girl. Like an elementary school. Like a... They're just... so cute. I love miyano. And I love sasaki. And I love wait, I think I erased that one. Yeah, I erased that one. They're just so cute. I love them. I have totally normal feelings about this shit. Very, very normal feelings.
Reason. I can't seem to get a clear seme or uke vibe from Sasaki.
My boy's a verse. My boy's a switches.
Why did he say that?
Tell us what he said.
Quietly.
Tell us what he said.
Sleep on the train.
Mm-hmm.
I liked you. What should I do?
I feel very calm and rational. I'm not gonna go kick my feet at all. Except for the fact that that's totally what I'm gonna do. I love them so much. I liked when, I'm on episode 4 now, by the way. Oh my god, I'm only on episode 4, that's great. That means there's like 6 more episodes. I loved when the accidental pin to the wall happened. And afterwards, Sasaki is just like, oh my god, I can't do this, I gotta go home, I can't do today, I gotta go home. He's so cute. Oh my god, I love this so much. It's got me kicking and giggling and kicking my feet. And if I stopped this every time I wanted to say something, I'd end up with a 2-hour-long video. So I'm really stifling myself to when it's absolutely necessary, you know? But it's hard, because every scene is so freaking cute! I'm okay.